is the first problem that prevents us to become someone useful to society. What do we need to do to improve our educational? Well, maybe skill or maybe brain? Well, of course, by learning at like kindergarten, elementary school, junior school, high school, and lastly, university. That is the reason why we need education. And to get some degree, the reason why we have to get some degree is because when we get a degree, we can be trusted that we are capable to do something that we are passionate of and be a good cause for the society. It is likely true that not everyone is privileged to enter to this world with a lot of money to pay their education. But let us oppose that there is a better and a good reason why lending a loan for a student is better and that is not struggling for like buying their educational free and it is not urgent. And let us interrupt the statement that is given from the proposition, and we have to say like that when a parent is sick, they say that when a parent is sick, it will make them like they will have to drop out that university. And then I think it's not true because when your parent is sick and then you like drop out from your university, it's not like the best solution. Why? Because well, maybe there are another like solution. Like maybe you like work for your parents like medication, and then maybe you like find someone who can help you, and then maybe you like search like in the website or like maybe in social media. There is many people who can help you. Like there is many ways that people can help you from like continuing your education. And from the team proposition, it said that student loan mechanism is important. Well, it is important for Indonesia, but when you said that it's for Indonesia, for like entire whole Indonesia, I think it's not relevant because there are many people who like have the privilege to like have so many education to continuing their education, and there are people who cannot have their privilege for like continuing their education. And I think when you give a loan to that two people and people who like can have privilege and cannot have privilege, I think it's not a good reason or solution. And I think from the team proposition, they said that front desk need bachelor degree. Well, in the status quo, I think it's not relevant because well, to get a front desk or like maybe an increasing like your job, I think it's not relevant to like maybe you like when you want to improve or upgrade your job. It's not always about the bachelor degree because many people in Indonesia, they already like do their hard work to get some degree, but at the same time, when they are like finding a job cannot accept you even though that you have some high degree or maybe some high degree or maybe a high intelligence. There are so many Indonesian people who like they have the degree but they cannot. People who like have the job cannot accept for who they are because maybe there are someone who can like really close to that someone who have the job, and then that someone can gain the job rather than people who didn't close to their boss. And I think that is not relevant. And from the team proposition, it said that more from when we like give a loan to a student, it said that more chance to get into work. Well, if it's true, then why, like right now, why there are like so many people who didn't get a job even though they're like working hard for their educational stuff, and then they will like not have a job and then not have a job at all, and then they will like have hopeless dream, and then they cannot continue their dream. And then from team proposition, they said that more educated public in general, and then it will be like a win-win situation. I think it's not a win-win situation because when someone like do their hard for their education, and then when they give like education for the society, but the society is not easy as you think. It's not easy because there will always be a challenges, and then it will be more stuff like more hard when you like want to get your job. And most likely, when if it's just for now, the fund has already been covered by the government. Well, maybe just now, but they will be like the people who like have the loans for their education. They will underestimate the education, and then student will like maybe do their best for giving the mutual impact. But at the same time, but what about the student? Like it's not when the student like have already received the loan, and then at the same time there like has a lack of care towards the education loan or environmental that they have been given. The more the student given the privilege, the less care of education that they receive, because they did not experience the struggleness of how exclusive of having to go to university. And then the government won't cut the dealness of the loans because it is not obligation for giving ban to students. And then in here, they said that capability of the government itself is more fulfilled. Are you sure that the government itself can be trusted to give loans? Because, well, maybe it is good for the government to give like loans to you, but at the same time, when you think of it, how will they get the money? Like, it is really a questionable, because from the team proposition, they didn't like explain like how will the government get the money from, and it said that capable individual will actually escape from Indonesia. Well, actually not everyone wants to escape Indonesia, because the Indonesia itself, well, maybe they are not like interested, because that is why from the education from Indonesia will have to do their best to like do their job to like make more interested, and for many students to like learn in Indonesia and improving the Indonesia educational system. And then they said that maybe when there's a loan from student, there will be a bond from the student that ensures student actually stays and contribute towards the society and have lesser chance to escape. Are you sure about that? Because maybe the reason why they like go out from Indonesia, because maybe the problem is like the Indonesian itself, because well, when you receive a lot of loans and then you will like learn from the school, and then you will not like realize the struggleness of how it's important of the educational is.